our 74-inch 3-door refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of at least 74 inches and a height of 80.5 inches with wheels, 77.5 inches without. And for the depth, we have at least 26 3/4 inches. Included will be a total of 12 shelves, 4 on each side. And the measurements for each shelf will include 18.5 inches in depth by 22 inches in length. Those are the measurements for each shelf. Measurements internally, we have a depth of at least 22 inches. And the measurements from the bottom to the top of the refrigerator, we have at least 50.5 inches. 50.5 inches in height with the indicator of the max of inventory and products it can be filled up to. Last but not least, the overall length, we have at least 70 inches in length. Coming to the bottom will be your switches, one's for light, refrigeration, and your temperature control. Additional features included LED lights, one located to the left door, the right door, and one of each in the first and second partition in the back. So in the back of each partition is an LED strip. 2 blow fans, and to the top left corner is your ETL certification and your information regarding this refrigerator. Coming to the back will be your standard 110, 120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this refrigerator. Thank you.